Have you ever found yourself gazing at the night sky, wondering what it would be like if Earth had a ring like Saturn? This thought, tickling the corners of our imagination, is not just a whimsical curiosity. It's a testament to our innate human desire to explore the unknown, to probe the mysteries of our universe and to understand our place within it. The cosmos has always been a fascinating enigma to us. Celestial bodies, like Saturn with its iconic rings, capture our interest and fuel our thirst for knowledge. Saturn's rings, an ethereal spectacle of ice and rock, have been an object of wonder for centuries. They are a symbol of the awe-inspiring beauty and complexity of our solar system. Now, let's take this cosmic curiosity a step further. Imagine, just for a moment, our blue planet encircled by a brilliant ring of light. What would that look like? And more importantly, how would it change our world? Rings around a planet aren't just for show. They tell a story of cosmic events and celestial mechanics. Let's delve into the science behind these celestial adornments. Planetary rings are often the remnants of moons, asteroids, or comets that have been pulled apart by the planet's gravitational forces. This catastrophic event is known as tidal disruption. Picture this: a moon or an asteroid strays too close to a planet. The gravitational pull of the planet is stronger on the side of the moon or asteroid that's closer to the planet. This differential pull generates immense tidal forces, tearing the celestial object apart and creating a debris field. Over time, this debris field can coalesce into a ring. Now you may wonder, why doesn't this debris simply fall into the planet? Well, that's where orbital mechanics come into play. Each piece of debris is essentially a tiny moonlet, orbiting the planet at a speed that balances out the pull of gravity. A delicate dance between momentum and attraction. The shape and size of the ring system are also determined by gravity. The inner particles orbit faster than the outer ones due to the gravitational force being stronger closer to the planet. This difference in speed creates a flat, disc-like structure, the iconic ring shape we all know and love. But it's not a perpetual system. Rings are ephemeral on a cosmic timescale. They require a constant supply of material to maintain their splendor. Without new matter from disintegrating moons or captured comets, the particles in the rings can gradually spiral into the planet or be ejected into space. So, are these rings just cosmic decorations? Far from it. They are a testament to the violent and dynamic history of our solar system. They bear witness to celestial dances of gravity and momentum, cataclysmic tidal disruptions, and the relentless cycle of creation and destruction. So rings are not just beautiful, they are a testament to the dynamic and violent history of our solar system. Now let's indulge in a bit of astronomical daydreaming. What would an earthly ring look like? Envision a world where our blue planet is adorned with a majestic ring, much like the one circling our celestial neighbor, Saturn. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a radiant belt of ice and rock particles stretching across the horizon, shimmering with ethereal beauty. But what would be the implications of such a cosmic addition? Let's delve into some hypothetical scenarios. Firstly, a ring system might significantly affect Earth's climate. The ring could cast shadows on certain parts of the planet, leading to cooler temperatures in those regions. This could create new weather patterns, influencing the distribution of rainfall, and potentially leading to shifts in ecosystems. Now consider the tides. The moon primarily governs our tides, but a ring system could introduce a new gravitational player into this delicate dance. Depending on the mass and orientation of the ring, it could either enhance or diminish the moon's effects, which could have profound implications for marine life and coastal communities. And speaking of life, how would this celestial feature impact life as we know it? Would nocturnal creatures adapt to a brighter night sky? How would plant life react to altered sunlight patterns? The ripple effects are innumerable and intriguing to ponder. Beyond the tangible effects, consider the cultural implications. With a constant celestial spectacle overhead, how would our art, mythology, and religions be influenced? Would we see the ring as a divine symbol, a scientific wonder, or perhaps both? And what about space exploration? A ring system could pose new challenges for launching spacecraft, but also offer unique opportunities for scientific study and resource utilization. In conclusion, a ringed Earth would not just be a cosmetic change. It would introduce a host of environmental, biological, and cultural shifts, some potentially drastic. A ringed Earth might be a spectacle to behold, but it could bring about drastic changes to life as we know it. A ring around Earth wouldn't just be a sight for sore eyes. It could fundamentally alter life on our planet. Picture this. You're a bird, let's say a swallow, used to flying thousands of miles each year during migration. Suddenly, a massive ring appears in the sky, casting a shadow across your usual path. How do you navigate? Would your internal compass be affected by the new structure? Would you alter your course or become disoriented, lost? It's not just birds that would feel the effects. Think about sea turtles hatching on the beach, guided by the light of the moon reflecting off the ocean. What happens when that light is dimmed or obscured by a ring? Would these tiny creatures find their way to the sea? And we can't forget about our own species. Humans too would experience significant changes. Our sleep cycles, for one, are tied to the daily rise and fall of the sun. But with a ring casting a shadow, our nights could be longer, our days shorter. It may seem like a small change, but think about the impact on our body's internal clocks, our circadian rhythms. Consider the psychological effects as well. The sky, once a vast expanse of open space, is now dominated by a looming ring. Would we feel confined, trapped, or would we be inspired, motivated by a constant reminder of the cosmos and our place within it? Agriculture too could face challenges. Crops depend on sunlight for growth. With a ring blocking out some of that light, would we see changes in yield, in the types of plants we can grow? Even the smallest of creatures, like insects, could be impacted. Many insects use sunlight as a compass, navigating their world based on the position of the sun. A ring could throw off their navigation, impacting their survival. A ringed Earth might be a marvel, but it would certainly come with its own set of challenges. From the smallest insect to the largest mammal, from agriculture to human psychology, a ring around Earth would be much more than a celestial spectacle. It would alter life as we know it. While the thought of Earth sporting a dazzling ring like Saturn is fascinating, it's clear that such a scenario would have far-reaching implications. In this journey, we've pondered on the possibility, dived into the science of rings, imagined our own planet with a hypothetical ring, and explored the impact it could have on us, the Earth's inhabitants. A ringed Earth, though a captivating thought, could bring challenges, complexities, and dramatic changes. We'd have to navigate the effects on our climate, our technology, and even our day-to-day lives. The stunning visuals we'd experience would come with their own set of repercussions. And yet, it's these hypothetical scenarios that fuel our curiosity and drive our exploration. They make us appreciate the delicate balance that exists within our universe, and the unique place that Earth holds within that balance. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of our ringless Earth, just as it is.